Okay, we have a little flight demonstration planned for you. We're in the ground control station, and the aircraft is ready to take off. So takeoff in this aircraft is as simple as just pulling back on the right-hand inceptor, which I'm going to do now. All right, the aircraft's lifted off. And now I'm just trying to keep it over the runway. And there you see the aircraft has gone into altitude hold, it's gone into heading hold, and it's gone into position hold. And all of these things have happened automatically without me having to do anything. So this is part of our simplified vehicle operations, or SVO, philosophy. The pilot doesn't have to manually engage any of these holds. Now if I want to climb up, I just use the right-hand inceptor, fore and aft movements to climb up. So here you see I'm climbing to about 20-30 feet. And then to descend, I just push down on the right-hand inceptor and the aircraft will descend. So that's how it's controlled in the heave axis. To yaw the aircraft nose left or nose right, I use my pedals. So here I'm putting in a left pedal input, and you see the nose of the aircraft come to the left, right pedal input, the nose comes to the right, all while the position hold and the altitude hold remain engaged. If I want to move the aircraft to the left or the right, I displace the left-hand inceptor to the left. That banks the aircraft to the left, and we sidestep to the left, and then again to the right to sidestep to the right. The aircraft is also capable of autonomous flight, so I'm going to engage an autonomous mission here. I press the navigation button on the auto flight panel. I select mission M1, which has been programmed, and I engage that mission. The aircraft is just going to fly from waypoint A5, which is where we are, to waypoint A4. It's going to hover there for 5 seconds, then turn around and then come back to us. So this is of course the first day that we're flight testing this aircraft, so we're keeping everything nice and slow, relatively low altitude, relatively low airspeed. And then as we do more flight testing, we're going to push the envelope out on the aircraft bit by bit. So right now the aircraft is 63 meters away from waypoint A4, and as it gets closer, it's going to go into a final approach mode to track towards that waypoint, capture that waypoint, hover for about 5 seconds, and then turn around. So it's gone into approach mode. It's 2 meters, 1 meter away. The position hold engages, and the aircraft will now yaw to the left. So it's now pointing back towards us, and now it's going to head back towards its takeoff site. So even though in our proof of flight video we flew a short distance manually and came back, this just goes to show you that we could have easily done that autonomously if we wanted to, but we were just taking things nice and slow. So the aircraft is 80 meters away from us. So if you look to the right of the screen, you'll see a blue tent, and we're all sitting under that tent. The aircraft is 40 meters away, 30 meters away, and it's tracking towards the waypoint. It's begun its deceleration, 5 meters away, 1 meter away, and it's just trying to acquire its landing site, and then it's going to settle down to a gentle landing. So the landing descent has started, and touchdown, lights out, kill, kill, kill. And that right there is a little autonomous mission demonstration for you.